And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am on my way to the gym. I'm gonna start the gym today. Today is September 24th, and I signed up for the gym last week, Friday. I need to get myself right, mentally and physically. So I finally went to go sign up, and I'm excited about that. I'm excited because today I'm actually gonna go there because they sent me a email that said the gym was open. The gym it opened Friday, and I couldn't go because I could have went after work. But listen, I'm going today. Oh wait, I'm talking about Friday like Friday was last year. Yesterday Friday. So I'm just gonna go today and see how it goes. I'm a very shy person. Even though I'm doing this YouTube thing, I'm still shy. So I don't like a lot of attention on me, like people staring at me and just, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I don't care. At some point, you just gotta do what you gotta do and not literally just don't care what people gotta say. So, but yeah, it's 2:30 right now, 2:37. So it shouldn't be packed, and because they gave me a schedule and everything, so I'm walking there. It's not that far. I was gonna wait for the bus, but the bus was like saying 7 minutes. But I just see the 13 right there, so I don't know if I don't think the 13 is going straight down. I think it's turning by the movie theater. I don't know, whatever. It's a nice day to walk. F it. And it's sweater weather. It's hoodie weather in New York. So now I had a smoothie, blueberry, banana, and pineapple with sea moss smoothie. I made this Wednesday night. I made 2 of them. So I just had the second one. Yeah, from Wednesday. Whatever. And I had avocado toast. What the hell is that? A boat thing over here. I don't know if y'all can see it. This sun is hot as hell. I'm excited to start this gym journey, man. I'm so excited because I've been saying one thing about me. I could contemplate about doing something, but if I really want to do it, even no matter how long it takes me, I'm gonna do it. That's how it was with YouTube. And now I've been saying I was gonna start the gym for how long now? And we finally signed up for it. And now I'm actually going. So, me proud of myself. No matter how long it takes, at least I'll still sign up for it, right? That's if you really, really want to do something. I'm very indecisive, so that's my problem. But yeah, soon in the gym though. I'm like about to cross the street because I should be on that side, but that side I have too much sun. So that's why I'm over here. So. But I'm gonna cross the street anytime soon now and get this workout in. See, like, my shirt. And I got I'm gonna show you the fit when I go in the gym, okay? Alright, soon. This is where I would have got off because the gym is right there, Planet Fitness, and it's not that, I guess it's better to walk to the gym than take the bus. Because that is exercise. So, see, now it says now open. So, I guess it's a good thing that I walked instead of taking the bus. The walk wasn't that bad. It was like 15 minutes. So, that's cool. But let me go do this. I was walking in the men's locker room just now. And I'm like, and they're laughing at me. I'm like, I'm so sorry. It's okay. So when I came in, I had to scan this code. It's a code. So basically, this is how the locker room is. The locker room is. Oh yeah. I'm gonna put my stuff. I didn't know what to bring, so I just brought it in this bag. I have my. I'm sure I like belts. Not the belts, it's the I have my jump rope Bro, seriously? In my waist tree. Can't come to the gym without water. Let's do this. AirPods in. Go get this workout. I'm gonna lock. Put my charger because I can bring my charger. This off. I don't need it. I can show you my water. Yeah, I need my water. Alright, so I'm gonna put mine right here. Oh, I like this. Okay, so I'm lock it. I need a bigger lock. I have a bigger lock home too. This is, what locker is this? 11. I gotta remember. Locker 11, y'all. Small ass lock. Alright, let's go get this workout in. I'm gonna music going on. I'm bugging. Music. I thought it was connected. Something different now. Listen, I got this. You want a girl, get up and a fight. After me tell you, say that's alright. You really come back with a longer knife. Me come up here and create, get a brown girl. Give me when me look, me see me woman in a full flight. Me baby mother say you're bright. Say girl, how you find me? She say she trail white night. She say how you love woman so. She say anyhow me know I'm cool. She say something not go happen between me and you. Me say what you gonna do? She tell me she nah let go. 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 put them on like this because it's not going, because of this thing right here is not going through. So I gotta tie it. Some squats right now. I'm done. 30 minutes, 5 miles per hour, 150, 160 calories. Okay, I'm done. Got the showers right here, but I didn't bring no soap or nothing. I didn't bring nothing because I live right down the block. So honestly, I didn't. Maybe next time. I'm about to go home. Tired. I'm out the gym. Just like this. I don't care. I live right down there. So day one was successful. Still learning how to use the machines because of course it's day one first. And I'm gonna try to make time after work. I'll get off at 6, so maybe when I get home I can relax for like an hour and then head to the gym. But yeah, it was cool. I liked it. Gotta learn how to use the machines more though. So when this last night earlier I saw some sugar cane. I don't know if I want sugar cane.
You don't need back, right?
No, I don't need that back. I just hopefully it's sweet.
You know what it's done, really?
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, so yeah, I know.
From where?
Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica. You know the same we have.
Yeah. Alright, so okay. Tamarind does smell sweet. Tamarind and I have sugar cane. I'm gonna try the sugar cane today. I can try one.
There's I don't know how many you want.
I just want to try one. I can try one. Yeah. It have to be big. Alright, let me try it.
Lo que entra ahí, cada año, todos los años. Cuando ellos no
It's so long.
It's so, oh, yeah. That's
It looks sweet.
how it is sweet.
But do you eat it with sugar?
No, you don't put sugar because it's sweet. But sometimes you make the juice.
No, we Jamaicans eat it with sugar.
But the sour one. This one you put sugar, but it's so sweet.
We will make salmon ball. It's good.
We do the same here. But we put the sugar to the other ones, the sour one. We make the juice.
están ahí, no quieren hacer nada.
Oh, okay.
It's sweet.
Yeah, we had sugar in both of them. It don't matter.
Okay.
Thank you. It's good. I'll buy it next time when I come back up here. It's good. I'm gonna get some tomorrow to burn it off. I come from gym. I look at me fine. Tamarind and sugar cane. It's just good. He said this. I don't know what the price said, but I'll buy it tomorrow. I just wanted to try it first. Well, sugar cane, I thought though. I didn't try it yet. Hopefully it tastes good. Oh, it's beaming as hell. But the movie theater by my house. Literally like 1, 2, 3 blocks. 3 streets. If you want to understand the blocks. That's what they call it up here. It's on hot. It's on a beam. Camping was really good, man. Look at that. Oh. Damn. I have to ask her where she came from. I'll ask her tomorrow. I don't know where they came from. I know they're Spanish, but I don't know from where. But see how the sugar cane tastes. You know, people that say it's sweet because they want to buy it, but let me see. I feel she talk. It's sweet, but not sweet, you know? That's good. I'm hungry, you know. I'm gonna switch home. I'm like 1 block away. You know, the people see I'm big too much. This man I can't talk about. And we can have, if we can have some, I'm gonna kill him. Say no. No, you cannot. Maybe. But if you can say when you eat cane, you make a belch. That is good. It ain't too sweet, which is good because I'm not supposed to be eating sweet shit anyway. But no, I'm gonna get some of them tamarind tomorrow, but I'm not putting no sugar on it. I'm gonna eat it just like that. I don't have no brown sugar anyway. So I'm going to go make some food right now. I'm hungry. And I need to do some juicing too. They close this corner store. Close it. You want to wash bad. I was on my nose the whole time. I didn't even notice that. Look at some of that. Some of the steel. Alright, soon later because I'm using up here again. Camera. Sure, dry. It is dry.